Hello guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to display text onto the screen. Now I'm going to be starting a new tutorial series and it's called Beginner C++. And the whole goal of it is to teach you guys C++. So why not start out with the most basic fun concept that you guys will use a lot, which is printing text to the screen. Now, let's get rid of this right here, and let's start off from scratch. Okay, so you have a blank screen, an IDE, right? I'm using Visual Studio 2019. You guys can use whatever you want, whether it be code blocks or etc. Now, in order for you to print text to the screen, there has to be a library and a main function in place. It's not like Python when you could just say print hello. It doesn't work like that. Okay? It won't work like that because C++ is a different language, and a different language takes different syntax. Okay? So, in order for us to print text to the screen, we are going to need to include a library, which we start off by saying include, with pointy brackets, IO stream. I don't know what's wrong with my cursor right there. Basically, we're including the IO stream. Next, we want to actually run the program with this special function, which is called main. Now, C++, this function is absolutely necessary, and it's very important that you include this function if you want C++ to run. Now, we start off by typing the main function. We specify its data type, which is an int, main, parentheses, and curly braces. Now, we got a fully functioning function, basically. And now, we want to print some text. So I'm going to type something, and then I'm going to explain it. Yeah, hold on. Let's see. Yeah. Bloom, bloom. A lot. That's funny. Oh, okay. Hold on. Boom, and bam. Okay. So there's a couple of things that is happening right here. You see STD in 2 colons. Basically what this means is that in order for me to actually print something, I need to access this namespace. And inside this namespace, we have cout. And cout comes with this namespace. So if you take this namespace and try to say this, it won't work because it doesn't know what cout is. Now, we can say std. Oh my gosh, my cursor. Okay. You know what? I'm just deleting the whole entire thing because I don't know how. You can say std and then cout. And std stands for like standard namespace. And we could say hello. Okay, now cout, what does it stand for? Cout stands for character output. You're outputting a character to the screen. And a string, you're like, wait, what? A string is basically a series of characters. You can output like the number 5 or like whatever. That's what cout stands for. Now there is another function in standard namespace, and it's called endl. Hold on, let me actually type in hello again. And what endl does, basically, it adds the line. Now, oh my god, I gotta type in std again, and then endl. Okay, so let's actually print this to the screen, and I'll show you. Hold on real quick. Give me a moment. And in here, you see you have hello. That's good. Now, what end now means is it means end the line. We are ending the line. And what this colon means right here, we are telling C++ that we are actually done with this line. Because, say we want to print out something else. Hold on. And I'm actually going to make this a lot easier. Instead of typing in std and then 2 colons, we can actually come up here and we can specify that we want to use this standard namespace using namespace std. Now, every single time, now when we want to type in the cout and the end L, we don't have to say std. We can just say cout, or cout, and then I could say hello. And then I can just say that. So, let's type in another thing. Now, when we don't include end L, basically these two are going to be on the exact same line. Hello, hi. Okay? Now, without including this colon, you're going to get an error. Build error. See? Would you like to run and continue? Obviously, it's not going to be successful because you haven't told C++ that you are done with this line. So, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll have another video in the next couple of days. Thank you very much. Adios.